Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Matt, aka Jug2 Driver from Scale4x4RC.us. Tonight we're going to do the unboxing of the latest and greatest from Axial. What you're about to see is the AX10 Deadbolt, their latest RTR truck. We're about to take a look at it. You're going to see it for the first time just like I have. I have not opened this before, so we're going to be cutting the tape on it here. So get ready. Alright, so like I said, what we got, AX10 Deadbolt. As you can see, I'll pick the camera up. Here's what you got. You have what looks to be a sort of a hybrid body between a Bronco and maybe a International Scout. We'll see how good that looks here in a little bit. Go around. Here's another view. That's probably actual size. I'll show you that, compare it to the Ridgecrest and a SCX10. And let's see what else have we got. We've got digital servo, protective electronic box, 2.4 gig radio, 3-channel receiver, AE2 ESC with drag brake, off-center pumpkin, heavy-duty differential locker. Got the Maxxis Trepador tires, wild bore drive shafts. That looks to be all they got there. We'll keep spinning it around. Standard fare on the rest of the stuff. I don't know if this will come through, but here's sort of the dimensions. 448 millimeter length, 288 millimeter width, 250 millimeter height. The wheelbase is 310 millimeters, ground clearance 76 millimeters, and the weight is 4 3/4 pounds or 2.15 kilograms. So now, how about let's cut the tape? There you see, it has not been cut. So we are cutting it for the first time. There's that one. There's that one. There is that one. And there is that one. Alright. We are cut. Oh, missed one. Right there. Let's see. Another one down here we missed. I think that is all. Let's see here. How does this box put it up? Here we go. Alright, so here's what we got. Got the manual. Magazine offer, RC driver. We have, there's a radio. Let's take a look at that. Assume it's going to be just like the other one from the, yep, standard radio from Axial. Then you got a little antenna tube and bond plug. Then we have spare parts. And we've got, this one's pretty interesting. It comes with helmets, or heads for the body. You've got, I know I've seen this before, you've got like a BMX helmet, a racer helmet, and then there's like a special skull with a helmet, which I don't see that in here. It looks like it came off the tree, so it's probably loose in there somewhere. And then we have the pièce de résistance. Here we go, let's do this. Look at that. Oh, there's the skull helmet that's in there. I'll show it to you a little closer. You've got three options. You've got this helmet, and then a standard racer helmet, and then like a BMX type helmet. So here we go. Let's see. Let's get this sucker out. Okay, we got zip ties on the bottom. Obviously this goes smoother if you pre-open the box beforehand, but I wanted y'all to see it as I see it, so here we go. Alright, let's get this out of this and see it in all its glory. There we go. I could talk through a lot of this, but y'all just want to see what it looks like, so I'm going to let you just do that. You got your Maxxis Trepador tires glued on there. Pretty nice and soft, not too bad. You've got, let's look underneath. There's your wild bore axle shafts, drive shafts rather. Offset pumpkins. To the ridge crest. That's their other ready to run kind of rock racer, if you will. And I wanted to see, pictures wise, it looked like it might be very similar. So here's the ridge crest. And you can kind of see them side by side. You get an idea. They're both running on 2.2 tires rather. Both of them are AX10s. Let's see what they look like compared to body off shots. Time for some nudity, if you will. PG-13. PG. But still. Nudity. So here we've got a label on this one. It's talking about the ESC pre-programmed for LiPo. Get the battery out of this one. Get a better view of it. So here you got, they're same basic rig, which was to be expected, both AX10s, so I don't see any distinct difference in this model versus the other one. And get another shot, kind of overhead. We'll give some more of the sexiness of it. I imagine this will drive and perform very similar to the Ridgecrest. I can't imagine it being too much different. It's really just sort of a new body. But I gotta admit, I think this is a far better body than the Ridgecrest. Ridgecrest doesn't have, as you can see, it's sort of the SUV-ish sort of, I guess you call it rock racer, whatever you want to call it. Not quite as, sort of lacking in the scale department personally. But then again, it's probably meant more as a bit of a basher. But this one actually looks pretty good. You got a nice little roll cage. You got some nice interior detail for a Lexan body, of course. The helmet's a nice feature. That's sort of allows you to customize it. I've seen some people paint theirs, so there's a lot of options you can do there. Obviously, everything's been pre-decaled, pre-painted. Bobbed body, so don't have to worry about too much tire rub. But just like any Lexan body, it's, the details only as much as they can do, but without infringing on any other copyrights or anything. No licensing necessary for Ford or International or whoever they were somewhat modeling it after. But yeah, that's the new AX10 Deadbolt from Axial. Oh wait, I was going to show you that compared to the SCX10, which is here. So there you go. There's the SCX10. This is the Wrangler JK compared. Guess I should put the body pins back on that before I try to pick it up. But here we go. SCX10. That's not a bad way to look at it. Get an idea of the size comparison. Pretty robust. If this is anything like, this performs anything like the Ridgecrest, it's going to be a very durable, very tough truck, which I'm very pleased with. I've had the Ridgecrest for a while now and have, suffice it to say, I have beat it up fairly well. I have a 3-year-old son who likes to drive it, so that its toughness holds true, then this should be just as tough as that one. So I look forward to checking this one out, getting it dirty, and putting some rock rash on it. So yeah, there you go. The Axial AX10 Deadbolt.